guys, thank you so much. Please welcome and come back to another episode of my channel. And today I am here with
Esther.
That's right. So yeah. Esther is one of my tour guides. So it's my company. You know, she's not a YouTuber. She don't have a YouTube channel, but she wants to come and explore with me. You know, and today we're gonna be going to the Temple of Leah. Yeah. So this is a place here in Cebu, guys. It's a very, very beautiful place to go. So we're gonna go and check it out now, guys. So we're just in the bus at the moment. Yeah. You know, and if you guys are watching this channel for the first time, you never met me before, my name is Boss Kirk, who travels around the world and to lots of interesting places to attract tourists to travel around the world. But anyway, guys, let us get you to the Temple of Leah. And then, yes, when we go on the next journey, guys, we're going to show you something else. Okay guys, finally I have just arrived at the Temple of Leah. And right here, guys, in the Temple of Leah, you know, this place is a very, very beautiful place for tourists to come and explore. A lot of tourists visit this place every single day. They travel from lots of places, and when I say lots of places, they do travel from every part of the world to come here in the Temple of Leah. So this is a journey when you come in this place, you know, with beautiful music that plays in here. You know, there is a guy that's sitting down in the Temple of Leah that sit here and play the violin, you know, straight through the day from 8 a.m. straight to 6 p.m. in the evening. And there is a tip bucket, you know, I just put a donation in there for him. But if anyone welcome to feel so, if you really enjoy the music, you can put a little donation for him. But this is a place where tourists come every single day. And this journey you travel here, guys, is in Cebu. So if you're traveling from Manila, you would take a flight, you know, 1 hour into Cebu. And then when you reach into Cebu, then it would be a 2.5 journey coming off Mactan, coming straight in to Mango Square, and then off Mango Square you'll be coming from Mango Square straight into the Temple. Yes. And this is something really want to also research as well, guys. So Temple of Leah, known to be a temple that we got here in Cebu, it's one of the most famous temples we got here in the Philippines. And this is a place, you know, you cannot literally resist this place. This place is a place where it goes live every day. Lots of tourists come here every single day. They take pictures, they take videos. They really, really enjoy this, and when you come to this place, you will never regret it. As the music go along here in the Temple of Leah, I still have to show you the outside as well, guys. The outside is very outstanding with beautiful view right outside here in the Temple of Leah. It is a little bit rainy here today in the Temple of Leah, but you can see the marbles, the wall, the beautiful view from outside, and also I'll be flying the drone as well over there later on to show you in this video, guys. Lots of marbles, lights, the wall as well, you know, it's proper curved and made with so many marbles from top to bottom. Every single part of this place is a place we all tourists come and explore. Okay guys, this is where I'm going to be wrapping it up for the afternoon. I really hope you guys did enjoy that beautiful drone footages, you know. I'm really happy, guys. And just to let you know, there's a downfall that when I was flying my drone, that do you know that the wind took my drone and they crushed it in the tree, guys, you know. It was up there. It literally crushed up there, guys, you know, one big crush, you know. Yeah, so it crushed, guys, anyway. But thank God for that, man. And God willing, they managed to recover the drone and I got it back. It's in my bag, guys, and I'm ready to go. But yeah, but anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss a video. You'll be the first to be notified when I put a video up. And Esther is just in the taxi there behind us, guys. She's inside the taxi and I'm going to be going in that taxi and I'm going to be on my way home, guys. But thank you so much. God bless you all. And thank you so much. Hope you really enjoy the Temple of Lord. God bless you all. Good night. God bless.